Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we have a few things to talk about. Spice in our new Pop the Balloon challenge. We see we want look a short dwarf looking man lift up trang spice. Some bad things going in that video. We also have Cargo retracting his statement saying that he wish Kartel for right now him a change him mouth. We have Black Rhino a ill up Kartel, although them no good dealings. We also have Scatterbarrel coming to clear the air about busy signal on Sumfest. Before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. Stay tuned. I don't remember what year it was, but Cargo came and said if Kartel killed Lizard, him for rotten in a jail. Now he come back and change him mode. Because the man come out, so he must catch him afraid. Take a listen to you, he must know.
In my government boy, effing blood clot Lizard in blood clot prison.
Now he's retracting, changing his mouth, saying, "Oh, I never said that." You know, one of them will think you can't tell nobody to come out. So I'm afraid. So probably if them book I see him stage show, you probably have to go all on your head. But this is what he was trying to say, trying to clear his name. Take a listen.
In a negative line, me I go accept it. Listen what me I say. You don't have me over in a negative line, sir. I told somebody you know hate right now, Cargo and Paul alone, and it look like you don't hate me more than Paul alone. So you me I go accept it. Whatsoever you don't say me say, I that me say, sir. But here I go on. It means if me sight. It means that my prayer no work. You understand? So listen, if my prayer no work, all you know have to say, dirty Cargo, your prayer no work, fuck off. And me just take care, we just move on and we just understand, say, okay. See when I push you all bad mind artists there, me just understand. Me come to the conclusion now, say, once there is somebody who get beat in a dancehall, a Cargo, I go get it. I did not say that, brother. I mean, I go tell all out you know, with a. I tell all out, and this is the last time me ever go say it. Without no joke nor no hesitation, I did not say that. You hear? To everybody over Portmore and all like Gaza people, they must part then cut up that stuff and put you out. Cargo did not say that. You hear what I say, sir? This is not an apology. This is just as a big man. I mean, know it might look weird because them just take out where they feel to take out. Cargo did not say that. Then just chop off that and go on that. So
Another thing, everybody is concerned about Kartel's eye and how his face looks. So I'm telling you yesterday that him have Graves' disease and he had thyroid. It's not fibroids, thyroid, and you know, it obviously is affecting his appearance. And Macka man is concerned, and she sends a message to Vybz Kartel. This is what she said.
Yeah guys, this is your girl Macka Diamond, and as I stand in front of this beautiful sunset, may I tell you to look at it. It's a beautiful sunset going on out there, and I want to say big up to the Gaza fans then, big up on yourself. Vybz Kartel, welcome home. But there's one thing I want to tell all these people, all of the people, I'm see the excitement, I'm see everything, we see everything will go on, but Vybz Kartel, everybody love you, the world love you, people them love you, but we are begging look about your health. Go on, go deal with the health. The health is important. No matter with that road, before you come a road, and we are here say you're sick and all these things. So you see if them something really real, the first thing I advise if you do and what I'm asking you to do is go take care of your health. Dash with a liquor buckle, let me say with. Dash it to it, dash it to it. But look about your health. Health is wealth. No matter how much fame we have and excitement, people do not understand. People think we are not human beings. So as an artist, look about your health, find one natural path. If you want to go doctor anyway you want to go. But take care of the health. Start eat up some greens, some vegetable. Start to go to the sea, go to the river, go all about soak your body, get back your health intact because health is wealth. So big up yourself, Gaza man. welcome a road. Big up yourself. I know say, I'm not going to run me down and go on and ray. I don't know say he's a vendetta queen. But big up yourself, Gaza man. You're reaching a town. And guess what now? You're home and you're back. But take care of the health. And the health. The health, may I beg you to deal with. Health. Because we as artists, we need the health. And that is what we mostly survive off of. The health and the strength for the stage show them. So when you don't come for me, don't come for me. But my boss, Vibes Kartel, Gaza man, everybody who around him, who love him and care for him, health we are dealing with. Help him get back that health together. Go rest yourself, dash with a liquor there, dash with them something. They're not ready right now. Get the health together because the people might wait for you and we don't want them to see you in a certain mode when you're ready for run out and do your performance. Alright?
Now everyone has been seeing this Pop the Balloon challenge, male version, female version, and now we see Spice. Spice getting spicy around this little dwarf man, and the man tell her all sort of things when you want to do to her body. You want to take a look?
Ooh. Ooh. Oh!
You think sharp man can angle Spice? Tell me down in the comment section. Now the other day, Black Rhino went live and he was bigging up Kartel. This is what he had to say.
Big up yourself, my general. Even if you're not two in a black man, big up yourself outside. Clad. That is it. Big up the man them liar too now. You can't left out the dog them liar too, you know the man, the dog do it. Clad, cause them say the dog never ever do it. The dog do it. Dog do it to pussy clad. Clad to go check for therapy there, cause the amount of shit him talk about Gaza. Some shit me hear him talk, he go so. Go check for him there for me there. Please and thanks. Thanks and please. No, me have to keep it real. I don't know the dog not 200, but I don't know the dog. Me have to big up the dog, cause the dog bust off and come a road. So the real king is back. So, as some little man need a pop, some little style, some little artist need a pop, some little style. When I think I need a go on the road, though. The so-called artist them did a crown himself king of dancehall. Clad to get up off on the toilet yet. I just that alone come from Ras. I just that alone come from Instagram for ask. Yeah dog. Cause see real rascal man come back, you know, a real king come back. But just want to know if the man they made that say them are the new king of dancehall if you get up off on the toilet yet. But just want to know if you get up off on the toilet yet dog, cause the real king back in town. Fuck cow no. Fuck cow no. See real king come back to do it all over again. Kill them dead, them dog around. Kill them dead, them dog around the place. Clad.
You think Black Rhino right? Kartel come back for dominate dancehall? Or is it too late? Anyway, tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.